Hello, and thank you for joining me. You're here with data science teacher Brandon, and we're going to learn how to make our own kind of style to Seaborn so we can change the default settings in Seaborn. Actually, quite beautiful. I really like it. It's nice and easy. But I get bored of the defaults, if I'm honest, and you can change everything individually each time. But what we can actually do is set in advance our style for Seaborn. So just we run sns.hisplot, it's going to be with these styles that we've added, that we've customized and stuff. And especially if you're working for a company, you can make your own colors or just for fun if you want to as well. It has a really practical use case when you're working for a company to kind of make it the plots, the visualizations a little bit more tailored to your company. I think your boss would probably like that. Okay, so here I have a list of all of the different options that we can use. I have a link to the Seaborn website where you can find this out. Let's go through this together today. So I'm just importing a few libraries. With the Seaborn, Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib. So there are a couple things that we would need to use Matplotlib to make the changes to kind of finish off the touching, finish off the kind of the customization with Matplotlib. So we need both of them to really get the full effect, and then pandas to import the data and to work with the data. Okay, so what we're going to do here first is we're going to make a palette of our own individual colors, and these will be our hue colors, the inside plot, the bars, the dots, the lines will be these colors. So we're going to change it to a palette. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our palette to palette with these colors. We'll go sns.set palette, and then we'll go colors.sns color palette. And I'm going to show you what these colors look like, but when I set the palette, I change it to these colors. Then I'm extracting the palette from my new palette that I've customized to show what these colors are. But it's good just to see what they are next to each other. Now these list of arguments up here, we pass them as a dictionary. Just some, I don't know if you really need all of them, but so we're going to do axis base color. So axis base color is the inside base color. Bigger base color is the outside of this square, kind of the background of your plot. Text color, tick color, tick color, edges color. So that would be the square box around. Legend number points is how big you want your legend to be. Y label color and X label color. So you can change a lot of things. I'm just importing a possible data set from my GitHub reservoir. Pretty standard, a few categories, lots of features. Okay, so now that I've set this all I have to do is run this. Once I've run this, I'm going to go sns.hisplot, and I'll go data equals df, x equals value, and hue equals population. So I'm going to change the population to 2. There's thick and other. You can say the title is this. Don't have to do anything special here. Just as I would normally do a title, it will automatically color to do that. However, for the label and the plot, we have to manually change that. So here, just notice here, I'm putting in the color to make the. I don't know why you can't just change this. Truthfully, it kind of seems silly that you can't change the label color automatically with SMS style. Okay, so you need to actually do pot.xlabel and pot.ylabel. The names, the color that you want to put in the box. That's one thing you have to do kind of manually, even when using this SMS style. But it looks quite nicely. Nice, very nice plot right here. I think it looks kind of cool. Very good colors. It's mainly the Seaborn plot, so it looks nice styling to it. Very crisp and clean. But it's not those default colors that everyone seems to use. Okay. Let's just show you again. If we do it again, slightly different hue. Use X and Y, so slightly different plot. But you can see this is a really nice detail. You can see that it made the legend a little bit bigger here. So these are a little bit bigger than normal, which I think looks quite nice. Okay. And so we can have a little bit more fun here. Make another palette right here. Okay. This number right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go sns.set palette with these new colors right here. color palette right here most second just to take a look at the three colors that I added. I'm going to do this again with bigger and or sorry, the axis face color, the bigger color, text color, and so on. And you can look for much more options to change around and play around. If you wanted to have a grid, if you want to change the color, could become quite interesting. And so you can see here, it looks quite nice. Truthfully, just you have to be a little bit color careful with the different colors. You can see here, this is getting to be quite close. You could say that maybe we should start actually mixing these up a little bit. The one thing you'll notice is we play with this alpha argument a lot when we're adding these different colors. If I turn this up to 1, it would just be orange and green. You would see it's a blending of the colors. But if we want some blending of the colors to show where the two categories overlap, we're going to turn down the alpha so they're a little bit see-through so that we can see this kind of mixing of colors together. Okay. And then do the same thing. Title, labels, and we have our own very beautiful custom flag. You can see here, we set the axis base color to be different than the figure base color. Okay. Easy and fun to play around with. If you want to make your own color palette, I have this website called colormind.io. Okay. And this generates different randoms. It uses AI technology to, I don't know, it does a good job of assuming which colors I pick. So it makes different palettes, and you can just copy these 5, kind of mix and match your palettes. It's kind of hard to find colors yourself, so I find this is a good tool to give you at least an idea where you want to go, and then you can walk up a few of these colors, just change a couple, pick something you want to play around with to get the ones that you like. Okay, that's great. So much this right here. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.